The links of previous videos are given in the description box. Please check it out. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chetan Programming. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel, and before moving ahead in the video, please like this video. In the last video, we have discussed about constants in Java. In this video, we will be discussing about operators in Java. If you want to perform any mathematical calculation, then we require some operators, such as if I write a plus b, here plus is an operator, or a minus b, minus is an operator, or a multiplied by b, multiplication is an operator. There are many operators in Java. In this video, we will be discussing them. What are operators? Operators are the symbols or letters by which compiler takes an action and yields a value. It means that operators are the special symbols by which the compiler recognizes them and takes an action and yields a value. If you write as a plus b, so plus is an addition operator, so the compiler recognizes this operator and takes the action and yields you a value. What are operands? Operator acts upon different data items or entities which are called operands. In the example, s equal to a plus b, a and b are operands and plus is an operator. There are 5 types of operators in Java, that is arithmetic, increment decrement, relational operator, conditional operator, and logical operator. Arithmetic operator. By the name itself, we can say that this operator is used for mathematical calculations such as plus, minus, division, modulus, and many more. Arithmetic operators are of 2 types, that is unary arithmetic operator and binary arithmetic operator. Unary arithmetic operator means it acts only on one operand. Example, plus 10 or minus 10. Plus and minus acting only on one operand. Binary arithmetic operator acts upon 2 operands, such as if I write as a plus b, 2 operands and 1 operator. There are arithmetic operators are plus, minus, they are plus, minus, division, modulus, multiplication. This adds to expression or adds to number. This adds to number. Division operator gives the quotient and modulus operator gives the remainder. Modulus operator is represented by like this. This is the modulus operator. It gives the remainder, and division operator gives the quotient and remainder. Multiplication operator is a star. It multiplies to number. Now increment decrement operators. This is the only operator which is provided only by Java. This operator is only provided by Java. Plus plus or minus minus. They are of 2 types, that is prefix and postfix. Prefix means before operand. If this is the operand a, then plus plus a or minus minus a. Postfix after operand, it means operand then plus plus or operand minus minus. Now the rules to evaluate these operators, it is first change then use. If I give a is equal to 1, if I say plus plus a, then first change then use. Plus plus, it means increment a by 1. A was 1, plus plus, it means it became 2. Then use. What's the final value? 2. or minus 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 a. First change, then use. Minus minus reduce 1 by 1, so it would be 0. In the same, if I write a is equal to 2, first use, then change. A plus plus, first use. What's the value of a? 2. That is used, and change. It means it is changed to 3, but it is not used. A minus minus, a is used and then changed, and then changed to 1. Relational operators. These operators determine the relationship between two different operands. If I write greater than, a is greater than b, it shows the relation that a is greater than b or a is less than b. The relation operators are greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and double equal to. This operator means greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. This operator, if I write a is double equal to b, it means that a is also having the same value as of b. If I write 1 is double equal to 1, it compares whether these two are same or not, and it returns two values, that is 0 and 1. Relational operators returns two values, that is 0 or 1. 0 when the relation is false. If I write it as 1 is greater than 11, this condition is false, so the result will be 0. If I write 11 is greater than 1, it will return 1. Conditional operators. This operator is also known as ternary operator. It is also known as ternary operator. It is represented by a question mark and colon. It is the only operator in Java which takes up 3 operands and returns only one value. The syntax is condition, true expression, colon, false expression. If I write a is greater than b, colon, 1, 2, a greater than b, question mark, true expression is 1, colon, false expression is 2. If this condition is true, it will return 1. If this condition is false, it will return 2. Logical operators. Logical operator combines the result of two or more than two expressions. There are 3 types of logical operators, that is logical or logical and logical not. Logical or, it is represented by 2 standing lines. It means that if I write a is greater than b or c is greater than b, it means that either this condition is true or this. If this is true, the whole expression is true. If a is greater than b, then whole expression is true. If c greater than b is false, if c greater than b is false and a greater than b is true, then the overall condition becomes true. Now, logical AND operator. Logical AND operator, it is represented by 2 AND. It means that if I write it as a is greater than b and c is greater than b, here this condition is true and this condition is false, the overall condition becomes false. It means that both the condition should satisfy to make this overall expression true. If I say that A is greater than B, this condition is true, and C is greater than B, this condition is true, then only the whole condition becomes true. Now logical not. Logical not, if I write 10 is greater than 8. 10 is greater than 8, this condition is true, but if we use logical not, it changes the condition, means it opposites the condition. If this condition is true, then the final result would be false.